Should a factory be built in your community? I strongly oppose to the plan that a large factory be built near my community. My arguments for this point are listed as follows. The first and foremost reason lies in the virtually inevitable pollution that a large factory is bound to bring about. Considering the limit of the present technology, hardly any kind of factory is able to secure its mass production without the slightest pollution to the environment. Once a factory enters my community, and embarking on its continuous activities, even a tiny element of pollution will by all odds accumulate to a dangerous degree that will eventually cause a serious damage to the environment of my community. To think of the exhaust gas or water and the noise given off by a factory will help you fully understand this idea. Cities have already suffered from those nightmares of modern industry that shows no signs of ceasing to emerge. No one would like to behold the air of his or her community as no longer clean, or to find his or her community totally removed of hush. Besides pollution, which is to some extent an invisible but deadly threat to my community, there is an immediate problem that a large factory will force to confront with. It will occupy a large area near or of my community, which should be more likely exploited as a public site that benefit all residents in the community. For example, provided a suitable area is available, it is more worth a gymnasium that will enhance the standard of health of every resident in the community, than a big factory leading to disgusting noise and suffocating gas. Perhaps, some people would like to vote for such a plan of building a factory simply on an economical ground that a large factory will probably stimulate a prosperous future of the area around. But unfortunately, history has witnessed numerous counter-examples. Many factories neither attain an economical success nor left the environment intact. So I doubt this declaration. Taking into account all these factors, I find the disadvantages weigh much heavier than the possible advantages. Therefore I strongly disagree the establishment of a large factory near my community.